Hello friends, in this tutorial I will show you step by step how to make a spider in a balloon. I use an 18-inch balloon. I pre-inflate the balloon, then put an 18-inch black balloon inside and inflate both balloons together. I get a beautiful mirrored balloon. Prepare a piece of the balloon in advance for modeling to tie it around the bobo balloon, so I make a retainer. After the balloons are inflated, I tie the black latex balloon into a knot and then tie both balloons with a modeling balloon. I'm cutting off the extra parts of both balloons. To make the base, I use 5 black 12-inch balloons and 5 red metallic balloons, measuring 10 inches. I inflate each black balloon with 20 pumps. I tie the balloons together and I get a cluster of 5 balloons. Each red balloon I inflate on 7 pumps, teeth them together, and I also get a cluster of 5 balloons. I filled a red balloon with water beforehand. It will be a base weight. I tied the weight to a cluster of black balloons, put a bunch of 5 red balls on top and slipped each red balloon between the black balloons. A black mirrored balloon I'm tying to the base. On top of the balloon, I will plant a red big spider. I need 6 red balloons for modeling, size to 160. I stretch each balloon and then inflate it with one pump. These will be the legs of a spider. Next, I inflate one 10-inch red balloon with 3 pumps. The second 10-inch red balloon I inflate with 6 pumps and tie the balloons together. Next, I inflate one 10-inch red balloon with 3 pumps. The second 10-inch red balloon I inflate with 6 pumps and tie the balloons together. I tie the ends of the balloons together and put them on a mirrored black balloon. I tie 2 more pairs of spider paws and also put them on a balloon and fix them between 2 furnaces. The balloon spider is ready. Now you can add the decor as you wish. I am pleased to share my ideas with you.